Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can now install Microsoft Edge on your Chromebook, and the good news is it's now in stable mode. I'm not saying that everybody will want to do this, but if you like to have a mess about with different browsers, see what the options are, it's really good that we now have a different browser that you can use apart from Chrome on your Chromebook, and it's in stable mode. You do have to have Linux installed on your Chromebook to use it. Now obviously it's not going to work with everything. A lot of applications that you still use need to use Chrome, but the good thing about Edge, for example, if you had websites where you're logged in normally and you don't want to log out of your Chrome browser, but you do want to see what the website looks like when you're not logged in, that's a good reason to have a different browser. And sometimes when you try and do something on one browser, it doesn't work correctly, so you can try it on another browser. That's another good reason to have a different browser. Also, Microsoft Edge is actually now based on Chromium. So the good news about that is Chrome is based on Chromium and Microsoft Edge is based on Chromium. Now for me that's fantastic news because it means I no longer have to use software to change my images on my website to make them WebP. I can now just upload WebP images directly, which is great because they're smaller in size, so the website loads faster and there's not much deterioration in the image quality. So there's lots of reasons why it's good that Microsoft Edge is now using Chromium, because the more browsers that use Chromium, which is the standard, websites will be able to develop their websites to work on Chromium over any other type of browser, and that's good for everyone. So I'll pop over to the Chromebook now and show you how you do this. Okay, so here we are on the Chromebook desktop. If you haven't got Linux installed, you just need to go down here, click on Settings, go to Advanced, and then you'll see Developers there. Click on that, and then you'll have an option to install Linux. Once you've done all that, then you'll be able to do this part. So you just need to open up a browser, and I just typed in here, Microsoft Edge download, hit return. And when you first go onto the website, like I did today, I saw that not supported for Chrome OS. I looked on here, assuming there'd be one there, and there wasn't one, which was quite strange. So I went to the Microsoft Edge repository, and then I went on here, and I could see it was giving me the development one as well. But then if you go back one, you can see the stable here. Click on there, and 12th of November, the latest one, this one here, and that's that .deb file. So you can either click on that and download that, which is what I did, but then I was a bit confused to why is it not on the main page. So looking back, it was a bit silly, really, I should have realised. But going back, if you go back to where I was, Microsoft Edge download, click on that. It does say it's not supported, which is fine. But then if you scroll down the page, you've got Windows, macOS, iOS, Android. They don't really advertise it, so you have to see, but it's here. Look, Microsoft Edge is now available on Linux. Download for Linux, linux.deb. So you can download that one as well, or the one I just showed you, makes no difference. So just click on that, and then accept and download, and then close. Now this will look slightly different when you open it up because I've already installed this today to check, so it won't ask me the questions which it asks you when you first ever use the browser, but it's roughly the same. You'll see how it looks. So once it's downloaded, show in folder. It will either be in your downloads folder there, but I put my downloads in my drive, Google Drive, to save space. You just right click, install with Linux, and there we go, and then press install, and it's got installation in progress down here. It's okay on that. Wait for that to install, doesn't take too long. And this is it. As I said, you will have a few pop-ups at first. I haven't got them because I've already done it. But this is now Microsoft Edge. So you can see you've got the Edge browser down there. And obviously you could pin it if you wanted to. So if you pin it to your taskbar, it will always be there. So you've got Chrome there and you've got Edge there. So you can use that. You can check to see that you are on stable mode. If you just go to the settings there, and then click on settings, and then on here at the bottom go to Microsoft Edge, about Microsoft Edge, and you can see that it's the official build. If it was developer it would show DEV. So now this is the official build for Microsoft Edge, and you can now use it on your Chromebook. I hope that video helped. If it did, please like below and subscribe to the channel for future videos, and thanks for watching.